Hello everybody, this is Tushar Bhatt and you're watching B10X and I'm back again with one more amazing video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to apply for jobs in LinkedIn, which is a very simple topic which you all know how to do so. But there's a very big problem if you apply for a job. It is if you apply for a job, you apply for a lot of jobs firstly, right? Which job to apply, what are the jobs that you have applied for? It is very hard to keep track of your applications, and not just that, it is very difficult to follow up that with which person and with which company have you got the result, the update and each and everything. So you cannot do all these things with the help of a Google Sheet or a notepad or a WordPad or by writing out on any of your notebook.
If you are afraid of losing your job to ChatGPT, let me tell you something. ChatGPT is just tip of the iceberg. There are multiple AI tools which can work like human and which will replace you. But AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will. Be that person using AI. Learn art of using ChatGPT and other AI tools.
For suppose if I just start opening LinkedIn on my PC, let's click on the LinkedIn. Let's open it. So this is my LinkedIn page. If I just write something like content specialist, you might probably see that there are thousands of jobs that I can see here. For now, I'm seeing 494 results. Let's consider that I'm completely applying each and every job that I see here back to back. Okay, so if I click on this Growth Valley community, this community manager job, just scroll it down. I'll read the description. I'll just click on the apply button first. But let's just consider that I'm applying it here. Okay, so for this one, I have clicked on the submit application button. I have applied successfully. Similarly, I'll be reading out the second thing and applying it for the second job. I'll be doing it for the third job. I'll be doing it for the fourth job. Similarly, I'll be doing it for the fifth job. But it is very difficult to actually understand that how does these things work and how to get clarity that which company you have applied for and which company is reverting back you over the mail, which company is trying to get in touch with you. For suppose if I just open any of the mail for like this, I have got a message on my LinkedIn profile where it is approaching me for a content specialist, but I'm completely unaware that which job or which company is it coming from. It is very hard to keep track of your applications, and it is really very difficult to apply for multiple jobs. And what if you are actually in a hurry mode and want to save the job? You just click on the save button. Actually, you will be saving this thing, but you are not having any statistics platform where you can actually go and apply and save your jobs and keep track of your applications. Do not worry, I'm not here to show you the problems. I'm here to actually let you know the solution, what it is. So the platform name is EZ Tracker basically. So with this AI tool, with this application, you can actually organize your job hunt and say goodbye to all the problems. You can actually track your job application effortlessly and gain valuable insights, and all in one place, and that too without spending a single penny. This is completely a free software. So it proudly says that goodbye spreadsheets, hello Easy Tracker. So you can easily import your existing jobs from your spreadsheets and you can actually input it down here. And with the help of this tool, you can actually keep track of your job applications with our intuitive Kanban board. Easily move jobs between columns as you progress through the application process. No more spreadsheets or notepad notes. So how to get started? How exactly does this work? What is the process? I'll let you know each and everything. So firstly, you need to open the easytracker.app. If not the easytracker.app, just search for the Easy Tracker in the Google search bar. The first one is the one we were talking about. Let's just click on it. Let's click on the login button. Let's click on continue with Google and let's get logged in with the help of our Gmail account. Okay, so this is how the dashboard is going to look like. So before I let you know that how the dashboard works and how things work, let's click on this Chrome extension section and let's first install the Chrome extension, which will actually be working for us. There are tremendous applications. There are various applications that can actually help you to organize your work tasks, but like Trello and Career Flow, a lot of applications are there, but the only super USP and super benefit of this particular application that it is specifically made for job applications and job hunting and job tracking and to stay organized on your job application process. So without wasting any of the time, let's just click on the add to Brave. I am using this Brave browser, but still the Chrome extension can be installed in this browser. So we'll be just adding this extension, or once added, here are the few features like add from confirm your jobs anywhere. Easy Tracker works across the web. Our extension will automatically read job information you apply to on sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and more. So I'll be personally using this application for LinkedIn. Let's click on the next button. And if you're an Indeed user or any other website user, you can actually access this platform on that website too. You can track all your applications. Basically, a beautiful Kanban board laid out to help you track all your applications, add notes, and soon contacts, resumes, and more. Few of the things are in beta version. They are in the developing mode, but yes, you can access this very soon if you are being a consistent user of this platform. All the information of jobs you apply, your progress, and more, all are at one place. You can actually see and everything you can do. You can actually add up the information. A lot of things can be done. I'll just take you to the platform and you can have an overview of the platform so you can understand and how things can be done. And others that get insights into your job search, see how many applications you have sent, how many interviews you have had, and more. So you have the powerful statistics option in this dashboard. So let's click on the get started button. Okay, congratulations, Easy Tracker's Chrome extension is now ready to use. So now we have successfully logged in. So now what I'll be doing is just going back to the LinkedIn. I'll just refresh the page and now you can see this bar button over here. I'll just click on this section and you can see that quick save job found. So all I can do is just click on this save to Easy Tracker, and once I click on this you can see that the job is saved. I'll just go back to this main dashboard, the Easy Tracker's master dashboard, and you can see that applied section I have this one. So basically I have not applied yet. I'll just click on this wish list. I'll just click on it here and I'll just drag and drop. Basically you can just drag and drop on each and everything, and the company name, the position, the wish, that what exactly the list is under, the wish list, applied, interviewing, offer, rejected, ghosted, follow. So what exactly do you want to do? The salary, the job type, do you want each and everything for suppose save and close. So actually you can do everything. For suppose if I just click on this easy apply, next, discard, next, and next, let's consider, yes, let's apply. Let's click on the submit application button. So as soon as I have submitted my application, what I'll be doing is just from the wish list, I will be dragging and dropping this to the applied section. And under the applied section, I can actually click that particular job application and can write few things in the description section if I want to add for my own perspective or for my own information. Now notice that for suppose there are few jobs that I want to actually apply for. I'll just click on this section. I'll click on this button and I'll click on this save to Easy Tracker. It is saved. Website content manager. Let's click here. Let's click on the back button, save to Easy Tracker. And when you see this, I'll just refresh the page once again. You can see that it is coming over the section. So you can obviously drag and drop each and everything once you have done all these things, and you can categorize it. And once you click on this statistics section, you can see that this total status breakdown shows 3 in total. Means the wish list has 2 jobs, which means that I have not applied for 2 jobs yet. I have kept on the wish list section, basically that I can apply for in the any time in the near future. And one is the applied one. Basically I have applied for 1 job. And where do you apply jobs from? So personally I have applied till 3 right now and only using the platform LinkedIn. And the jobs that I have applied in the last 10 days is totally 3, and the date section can also be viewed here. So this is the statistics overview. Total number of jobs applied, interviewing, jobs offered, jobs rejected, ghosted, and each and everything. Let's click on the board and you can see that each and everything you can see here by properly organizing it. And also if you click on the import spreadsheet, you can upload a CSV file and you can obviously import all of the information with the help of this section. When you come to this section, you can obviously rename your board, and if you want to get the pro version, you can actually use it. So what is the pro version? Pro version has the easy AI where you have the answer generator. You can use the LinkedIn headline, the LinkedIn about me section, the cover letter section, each and everything. So before going ahead in the video, I would like to let you know that if you are someone who really is not getting adapted with the AI technology, then do understand that you are putting your job at a risk. It is because AI is not going to replace a human being, but yes, a person using AI, a person who is adapted with the AI technology can easily replace another person, because it is the new revolutionary way of working. It is the new futuristic model of working in 2023 and in the near upcoming years and years and years. Because AI is actually enhancing the work experience. It reduces your time and it increases your productivity and also the creativity. So it is a new way of working. Do understand, again and again I'm telling you that AI is not going to replace you, but yes, a person using AI can easily replace another person. So I'm here to gift you something, and that's this workshop. Do understand that I'm not here to sell you this workshop because it is happening just at the cost of 9 rupees. And yes, with just 9 rupees, you will be able to access to this workshop, which will be conducting by 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni who have have already co-founded multiple 7-figure companies, and they by themselves are going to teach you all things about AI. This is a 3 hours live workshop. You can enroll it by checking out the link given in the description below or by searching betanex.in/AI. This will be a live interaction session by this 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni. You will be able to also access a lot of information which worth more than 10,000 rupees. And along with that, you can also avail the free certificate. Once you complete this course, you are getting these bonuses once you complete this course. So do enroll for this workshop, do get adapted and be more knowledgeable and be a person who is irreplaceable in your job fit. So let's get back to the video now. So under the job answer generator, all you can do is write like autofill from the jobs. I'll just click here, like I'll choose any of the jobs, the company name, description, who we are, question. For this particular job, I want to get the answer for this question, and I will be uploading my resume so that I don't get stuck at this section and I get a proper result for my question. So I'll just upload my resume. I'll be adding up the question. Let's click on the generate answer, and as per the resume, depending upon the job role and job criteria and each and everything, this will be now giving us the result. For example, I'm excited about the opportunity to work at Growth Valley community because it aligns perfectly with my passion for community building and content creation. I am particularly drawn to your mission of reshaping the way the next generation perceives their potential. Having previously worked as social media executive and marketing manager, I have developed strategies for social media growth, curated engaging content, and facilitated online community interactions, which I believe are the key to the community manager role at your organization. I am eager to leverage my skills and experiences to inspire, engage, and grow your online community and contribute to your vision. Do you like Easy's AI answer? Yes, I personally liked it a lot because it is actually crafting and curating the information from my resume and then giving me the answer in this AI section. So you will be getting 5 limit each month in this Easy Trackers AI section, which is the job application answer generator section 1. You get 5 answers for free, and then using for more, you need to upgrade to the pro version. And similarly for the LinkedIn headline, actually you can generate high quality and personalized LinkedIn headlines in seconds. All you have to do is just select the resume and click on the generate button. But for this, you have to get the Easy Trackers Pro version. Similarly, you can obviously write your about me section. You can include emoji. You can check out the box if you want to include bullet points. You can check out the box. Anything specific you want easy to focus on, you can also mention that thing. The tone, you can choose it out here and then click on the generate button. But for that, again, you need to have the Easy Trackers Pro version. Similarly, you can get it for the cover letter. You can choose the job, choose the resume, click on the advanced setting. You can choose the tone. You can choose the length. You can focus any particular thing that you want to focus on and then click on the generate button. But yes, for that you have to get the Easy Trackers Pro. Now let me show you what the Pro version is actually not that costly, because if you are getting a 3 months per version at altogether, you have to pay 39 rupees per week of cost. And if you are buying a month complete subscription plan, then per week cost will be 49 rupees for you. And if you're just buying it for one single week, then the cost will be 99 rupees per week. So depending upon your requirement, you can actually go with any of the plan. But yes, personally, if you are a freelancer, if you are someone who wants to work part-time job, or if you are someone who is looking for job hunting, who's actually applying for multiple jobs, then this is an application which can actually help you to track and organize all your job at one single platform. So this was all about Easy Trackers AI application tool. I hope you found the video useful. If yes, then let me know by liking this video, and do let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use on your daily basis in frequent manner to enhance your work experience and to increase your productivity. Till then, this was all about this video. I hope you found the video really useful. I'll meet you with one more amazing video. Thank you for staying tuned with BetaNext. Bye bye.